morning mga kapuso, atong makauban ang usa ka international tenor voice performer, a Filipino pride gikan sa General Santos City. Let's welcome Allan Palacios Chan. Hello Allan and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you doing?
We are thankful na napaunlakan mo ang aming imbitasyon. Anyway, you have been recognized by many because of your talent. Pero Allan, kwentuhan mo naman kami, paano ba nagsimula ang journey mo as an international tenor singer?
Yeah, basically just I went to school for singing in the States, and then you just you do auditions and you sing for people, and eventually you make it abroad. My first well, actually I just came from Italy this past summer. I did a couple engagements there, and I was in Berlin also. So yeah, it's just kind of the natural progression of a singer, a classical singer for sure.
Tubong General Santos City ka, Allan, was it hard na pumunta ng ibang bansa to fulfill your dream as an international singer?
Not really. I think it's just if you have the drive, and if you have the right training, if you know the right people, you can do anything you want, no matter where you're from.
You've been performing sa iba't ibang bansa. Ano ba ang pinaka-memorable experiences mo?
Oh man, that's a really good question. Well, right now, I would have to say the one that I had this past weekend at Redfern Pavilions. It was so filled with everything. It had family reunions for me personally. Also, a lot of friends came, and it was just like I don't know. It felt really like coming home, and I was able to bring back everything that I learned, abroad, and it really a night to that I'll never forget. I'll always hold it in my heart.
Isa sa mga greatest milestones sa career mo ay ang concert mo with Opera Ebony of New York City. Kwentuhan mo naman kami sa nangyaring concert mo.
I am actually pretty close to the director. I think he might be former director now, but very closely affiliated with Opera Ebony is Wayne Sanders, and he is I think he's a coach, really well-known and well-respected coach in New York City, and he was one of the judges for the competition. Actually, there was a competition that I entered in with Opera Ebony, and I was one of the winners, and yeah, it was right before the pandemic hit, right before, 2 weeks before lockdown happened. This was back in January, February, March 2020. I sang my first concert with them as a winner for their winners recital, and that was another unforgettable performance. It was very, very honorable for me.
And speaking of concert, naging matagumpay ang solo concert mo dito sa Gensan noong nakaraang Sabado. How do you feel na nakapag-concert ka dito sa Gensan kung saan ka lumaki?
Yes, it was such a big success. All my expectations were completely exceeded. Rain Ramos and Orman Manansala, they pretty much produced and organized everything, and they really outdid themselves. And yeah, it was completely sold out show. The guests were all so happy. I did 1,001 selfies afterwards. Yeah, I can't wait to come back and do it again. The energy was just wow. Super electric.
Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang episode na ito nang hindi ka namin napakikinggang kumanta. Ready na ba kayo mga kapuso? Brace yourselves! Let's give it up to Allan Chan!
Okay, I guess I'll sing one of my favorite kundimans. It's Dahil Sa'yo. Yeah. Dahil sa'yo nais kong mabuhay dahil sa'yo hanggang mamatay. Dapat mong tantuin, wala nang ibang piling. Puso ko'y tanungin.
Wow, napaka-talented naman ang mga in love. Mas lalong na-in love nang napakinggan nila ang boses mo. Lastly, Allan, ano ang mga aabangan ng mga fans mo sa mga susunod na mga projects mo?
Yes, I do actually. After this, we're headed to Cagayan de Oro, and I'm singing for a mass actually at a church, a local church over there. What's the name of it? Savior University. It's at, thank you. It's at Savior University in Cagayan de Oro. We have family over there, and we're setting up a mass. I'm going to be singing in church there, and also in Tacloban in Leyte, where my dad is from. We're going to be singing at a church there. What's the name of that church? Santo Niño. So yeah, we're sort of getting our foot in the door. I want to prepare a proper tour here in the Philippines. So that's sort of cooking up. I'd say that's the biggest thing I have coming up is I want to plan a real tour here. I want to come back here to Gensan, absolutely. But not just here. I want to sing also maybe Tacloban, Cagayan, definitely Manila, and maybe other cities. I'm in Cebu. And yeah, anywhere else that we think people might have interest. So I'd say that's my next big thing.
Maraming salamat sa time na ibinigay mo sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV. Naway mas maka-inspire ka pa ng maraming tao gamit ang iyong talento. Keep safe, Allan!
Thank you very much. It was so nice to talk to you guys. Have a great day.